Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can extract any file in your PC. If you have any kind of zip file, if you want to extract that, you can do it simply. So what you have to do, I'm going to open this PC and now I'm going to show you some files which we are going to extract them. And now I'm going to in my personal disk. So we are going to this PC and now I'm going to click on this. And now I'm going to open the drive G, and after that I'm going to the software section. As you can see here, enter. And after that we have some zip files here. As you can see here, the zip file. For example, now what we need to do, we have to right click on this. After right clicking on this, as you can see in the WinRAR section, before extracting any kind of file, you have to install the download and install the WinRAR. So you have to do that. For example, has the option like extract files and extract here. If you want to extract files, it will be extracted in other folder, and if you want to extract here, you have to click on the extract here. For example, I want to extract files, you have to click on this. After clicking on this, you will see some options. So as you can see, we have the options here. So after that, as you can see, now it's open. Now what we need to do, we have to select the location that where file should be extracted, and if you want to update or replace and all the things. For example, I want to replace it, so now we have to click on the OK, and the file will be extracted. As you can see, now we have to press on the yes to all, and it will be extracted. So in this way you can extract any kind of file, and now we have to wait, and now it's done. So in this way you can extract any kind of file. Before extracting any kind of file, you have to install the WinRAR and you will be able to do this. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.